controls Jerry Conley, veteran of the United States Air Force, having over 40 years experience. He has jet-type ratings in multiple jet fighters. Jerry's greatest hope, though, is that he be known as a man after God's own heart and to serve his kids. And I'm going to take the chance right now to go live to the cockpit and say hello to Jerry Conley, see if we can reach him up there. Hey, Jerry, this is Rob Ryder. Can you ground? But it sure is fast when it's going by. What a tremendous look. Sounds perfect, sir. Now, let me ask you as you bring it around this next time. Now we're going to bring her back around to the 4-point roll. So you can center of the airplane.
Yeah, there's a roll.
Right knife edge, he stops. Inverted, he stops. Knife edge again, and completed.